With another video. Are you bored of the same old icons for your folder on Mac? Well, in this video I'll show you how to turn your folders from this to this by using custom images as icons. So let's jump straight in and get started. So firstly, I have a couple of folders here that I want to change the icons for. Now the first step is for you to go online, find the images that you want to use and save them to your computer. So as you can see, I've got a couple of images here that I want to use as the icons for my folders. So let's go ahead and change the icon for the pictures folder first. So the first thing to do is open up the image that you want to use as the icon for that folder. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my picture icon here. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go over to our pictures folder. I'm going to secondary or control click the folder, and I'm going to go to get info. So now these are the two windows that we need open to get this working. So we're going to go firstly over here to our picture window, and I'm going to go to edit, and then I'm going to go to copy. So now I'm going to go back over to my pictures information window, and I'm going to click on this folder icon in the top left hand corner. So you can see it's selected because once I click on it, it has this kind of blue outline. So once that's selected, we're going to use the paste shortcut, which is Command plus V. That will paste the image that we've just copied, and then as you can see, our folder icon has now changed. So let's run through that one more time and change the games folder icon. So I'm going to pull up the folder that has my image in. I want to use this icon for my games folder. So again, we go over to folder, I secondary click, control click, get info. So now again, I have my picture window here, and I have my game information or my folder information window over here. I'm going to click on my picture window, go to edit, copy, back over to my information window, click on this folder icon, so remember, you know it's selected by this blue outline, and then I'm going to use the paste shortcut, so Command plus V on the keyboard, and as you can see now, my icon has changed over here as well. So there you have it. It's a really great way to kind of help organize your folder. You can see at a glance what might be inside of it. But it also just helps to kind of make your Mac a little bit unique and a little bit more personalized to you. So I hope this has been helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.